Right, so what we're looking at here is the difference between one bulb connected to a battery and then two bulbs in series connected to the same battery. Obviously, these two bulbs will be dimmer because they have half the voltage and half the current. So we've got half the voltage, half the current, and there'll be a quarter of the brightness each. So will Trev find out? Yes, because his bulb will be much dimmer. Will he pay more for his electricity? The answer is no, he'll actually pay less because with half the current, the electricity meter will run up much more slowly. If Kev could change the rating of both bulbs, what should he change them to so that Trev does not notice a change in brightness? Right. Well, let's consider these two here. So I've got a resistance R here, and I want two bulbs that are each the same brightness as that bulb. The problem is that they're getting half of the voltage. So what I need to actually do is I need them to have a quarter of the resistance, because the power that they produce is V squared over R, and that means that if I'm halving the voltage, for the same power, I need to have a quarter of the resistance on the bottom. So I've essentially got a half squared on the top, which is a quarter, and a quarter on the bottom, and therefore I get the same power as before. Now, since power is proportional to 1 over R, if I'm making the resistance 1/4 of what it was, then that means that the power of that bulb at the same voltage is 4 times greater. So I need to choose 200 watt bulbs.